Hey everyone, the ASUS ProArt A16 is a bold and refined step forward in the ProArt series, which has long been ASUS's answer to the growing demands of creative professionals. Designed specifically for creators who need powerful performance in a sleek and portable form factor, the ProArt A16 brings together top-tier specs, thoughtful design, and intelligent features that make it one of the most compelling devices ASUS has ever produced. The 16-inch laptop is wrapped in a sleek, all-black metal chassis that exudes premium quality and understated professionalism. The finish is smudge-resistant, helping the laptop maintain its clean aesthetic even after long working sessions. ASUS has incorporated a stealth hinge that blends smoothly into the body, adding to the seamless visual appeal of the machine. Under the hood, the ProArt A16 is driven by AMD's Ryzen AI 9HX370 processor, which is currently among the most powerful mobile CPUs in AMD's lineup. This chip is not only fast and efficient, but also integrated with advanced AI capabilities that allow the device to tap into Windows' growing ecosystem of Copilot plus AI features. These include tasks like smart summarization, real-time image editing, voice assistance enhancements, and much more, offering a cutting-edge workflow experience for modern creators. Backing up the CPU is the GeForce RTX 5070 mobile GPU, a serious performer when it comes to graphics-intensive workloads such as 3D rendering, video editing, and even high-end gaming. This combination of AMD's flagship processor and NVIDIA's powerful GPU ensures that the ProArt A16 can easily handle anything from multitasking with heavy applications to rendering large creative projects. One of the standout features of the ProArt A16 is its display, a 16-inch 4K OLED panel that's tailored for creatives. The screen offers exceptional color accuracy, deep contrast, and vibrant visuals, making it ideal for tasks like color grading, photo editing, and visual storytelling. For anyone working in digital media or visual arts, this screen alone puts the laptop in a different class. ASUS has also emphasized smart thermal management with this model. The laptop utilizes intelligent cooling technology to keep temperatures in check without becoming loud or intrusive, even when under significant load. This ensures consistent performance and a comfortable user experience during extended work sessions. With all these high-end components and design elements, the ProArt A16 doesn't come cheap. ASUS has launched the device with a starting price of approximately $2,500, positioning it firmly in the premium creator laptop market. However, for professionals seeking a reliable, powerful, and visually stunning work machine, the investment could be well worth it. Availability is set for Best Buy and ASUS's official online store, giving buyers easy access through mainstream retail channels. So the ASUS ProArt A16 blends cutting-edge hardware with thoughtful design and creator-focused features, offering an all-in-one tool for professionals who demand both power and polish. Whether you're a video editor, animator, photographer, or designer, this machine promises the performance and visual fidelity needed to elevate your creative process. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.